Welcome to Bidnik Tutors YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be breaking down topics of each science subject in order for you to have a better understanding of each topics. Because as a teacher, we believe that every student should understand fully every topics they are being taught. So, in order not to miss out on any of our videos, because all the videos we'll be uploading are very important, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share. We also have a Telegram channel where you can communicate with us, ask us questions, and meet with other educators. The link of our Telegram channel is in our YouTube bio and comment section. Now, say these after me. I understand mathematics. I understand physics. I understand chemistry. I understand further math. That is a spirit. Basic tutors. Excellence is our word.
Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Basic Tutors YouTube channel. I want to use this medium to appreciate every one of you who have been watching our videos, everyone who has subscribed to our videos, to our channel. I want to use this medium to appreciate everyone who has subscribed to our channel, everyone who has been following us, all our top fans. Thanks and God bless you. Alright, I'm just sure some of you have watched the part 1 and 2 of logarithm. So now this is the part 3 of logarithm. So now the subtopic before us is relationship between indices and logarithm. You understand? So now it says if log 1 base n equals to x, what is the end value of x? Now it said changing from logarithm to indices. Now we want to change this from what? Logarithm to indices. So this is logarithm. So we want to move the logarithm, the log, you understand? So it can stand as what? Indices. So now when we move the log, to now be n raised to power x equals to 1. N raised to power x equals to 1. Do you understand? So it said by law of indices, x equals to 0 since only. So whenever you see x, you impute 0. So n raised to power 0 equals to what? 1. So now this second example, say if log x base a equals to p, let's express x in terms of a and p. So now I want to move this log, you understand? So we'll be left with a raised to power p equals to x. So that is the answer. Do you understand now? So we move the log, so it's now in indices. So it will now be a raised to power p equals to x. So now let's quickly solve some examples very fast. Alright, so let's quickly solve this question right away. Let's smash this question. Okay, so now it said if log 16 base 2 equals to 4x minus 1. So we are going to move the what? The log. Do you understand? So that's the first two we are going to do. That's why I said relationship between indices and logarithms. So we are going to move the log and turn it to indices. Alright, let's do that now. So now we now have 2 raised to power 4. So to be 2 raised to power 4x minus 1 equals to 16. Okay, so now we have 2 raised to power 4x minus 1 equals to, so 2 can give us 16 in how many places? Times 4, 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 16. Sorry, 4 times. So 2 in 4 places will give us 16. So now we have what? We have the same numbers. We have 2 equals to 2. So we are going to what? We can cancel it or just leave it that way. So 4x minus 1. So we are now after the what? The power. 4x minus, since we have the same numbers. You understand? So 4x minus 1. So let's collect like terms. Equals to 4 plus 1. So 4x equals to 5. So you divide through by 4. So our answer is x equals to 5 over 4, or 1 over 4. Okay, so that's for that. So now let's quickly solve this one. So now this will be turned to indices also. So it will be 9 raised to power 1.5 equals to x. So now let's remove this decimal point. Okay, so we have 9, 15. So when we move it, we only move it once, so that is 10. So this is 3 here 5. Sorry, 5 here 3, 5 here 2. equals to x. So 9 raised to power 3 over 2 equals to x. So now we can change these ones to 3. 3 in how many places will give us 9? 2. Do you understand? So this 2, that is 3 over 2 equals to x. Do you understand? So now we have, so 2 cancel 2, so we have 3 raised to the power 3 equals to x. So 3 raised to the power 3 is going to give us 27, so x equals to 27. It's as simple as that, okay? Alright, okay, so now we have another question to smash. So let's quickly do that now. So we have to solve this equation. Log s squared equals log s squared base 2 equals to 6. Okay, now so let's turn it also to indices. Yes, now so that is what we'll be doing. So let's change it to indices. So it will now be 2 raised to the power 6 equals to s squared. So I'll be wondering that how are we going to do this? That is why we are here. So one of the things we are going to do is we are going to ensure that the power are the same. You understand? Let's see that. Let's ensure that the power are the same. So we have 2. Now what will give us 6? 3 and 2. Okay. So now 2 raised to the power 3. You understand? Square. So now you see that the powers are the same. Have you seen that now? So now I'm going to multiply the power by what? The reciprocal of what? These 2. That is 1 over 2. So multiply the power of both sides by 1 over 2. Okay, so let's do that now. I have 2 raised to the power 3, 2 times 1 over 2 equals to x times 1 over 2. Okay, so now this cancel this cancel this. So now we have 2 raised to the power 3 equals to x. So now x is standing alone. Have you seen that now? So we have x, 2 raised to the power 3 is what? It's simple as ABC. Alright, so let's please solve this now. So given that 10 raised to the power x equals to 3, we have to express log 300 base 10. You understand? So now what we're going to do is, the first thing to do is we are going to introduce logarithm to this indices. So we change this what? Indices to logarithm. So let's do that now. Change it to logarithm. So we're going to introduce log to this equation. So that will be log 3 base 10 equals to x. Have you seen it now? So it will be log 3 base what? 10. This 10 equals to this x. So now let's express log 300 base 10 in form of this. So express log 300 base 10 in form of log. Have you seen that now? So now let's do that. So what can give us 300? 30, that is what? 3 and 100. You get it now? So we have log 10, log 3 base 10 times log 100 base 10. You see that now? So now we now have log 10 base, log 3 base 10. So now log 3 base 10 is what? X. So wherever you see log 3 base 10, just impute x. So that's x times log 100 log, what gives us 100? 10 raised to the power 2. So that's 10 raised to the power 2 base 10. So what will you do? This x times this 2 will come down here. So it will be 2 log 10 base 10. Have you seen it now? So 10 base 10 is what? Is 1. So now, what is multiplication in indices? Plus, or in logarithm is plus, is addition. So that will be x plus 2. So that's our final answer. Alright, so this is another question that we are meant to smash. Okay, so now this is a new subtopic, logarithmic equation. Logarithmic equation. So now let's solve. It says solve 2x plus 1 base 3 minus log x minus 3 base 3 equals to 2. So now we already know that minus is what? Division in logarithm. Okay, so now let's do that. So now we have log 3 2x plus 1. So it's now be divided by x minus 3 equals 2. So now I want to change this 2 to logarithm. It will now be log 3 base 3 raised to power 2. So log 3 base 3 is what? 1. So when this 2 come down here, it was 2 times 1, and that gives us 2. You understand? So that's why we're able to get this. So now let's solve it. So we have log 3 and log 3. So we can just cancel it. So we are left with 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 equals to 3 raised to power 2. Have you seen that now? So now we can just cross multiply. You understand? So we have 2x plus 1 equals to 3 raised to power 2 x minus 3. Have you seen that now? So now we have 2x plus 1 equals to 3 raised to power 2 gives us 9. So we have x minus 3, 2x plus 1. So let's open the brackets. 9 times x is 9x minus 9 times 3 is 27. So let's collect the like terms. So we have 2x minus 9x equals to minus 27 minus 1. So that's minus 7x equals to minus 28. Okay, so now let's divide through by minus 7. So the answer is what? 4. So x equals to 4. Simple as ABC. So if 4 log a plus 5 log a minus 6 log a equals to log 8, what is a? Okay, let's do that now. So we already know that addition in logarithm is what? Multiplication, and division, and minus is what? Division. So before that, this 4 is going to come, it's going to turn to power, this 5 will turn to power, and this 6 will turn to power. So it will now be log a raised to power 4 plus log a raised to power 5 minus log a raised to power what? 6 equals to log 8. So now let's change the signs. So we have log a raised, so the log is out, a raised to power 4 times a raised to power 5 divided by a raised to power 6 equals to log 8. Okay, so now let's divide them. So this one remains 2, so this is 3. So we have log a raised to power 3 equals to log 8. So this log cancel log. So that's a raised to power 3 equals to 8. So now what will give you 8? 2. Okay, so now we have a raised to power 3 equals to 2 in 3 places. Okay, so now we are going to what? Since we have different is equals to, what's it called? A is equals to 2, so they are different, it's not the same. So now we are going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal so that a can stand on its own by the reciprocal of the power 3, which is 1 over 3. So that is a raised to power 3 times 1 over 3 equals to 2 raised to power 3 times 1 over 3. So now 3 cancel 3, 3 cancel 3. So a equals to 2. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's come. So let's solve this now. So we have log x base 2 equals to 3 plus log y base 2. Find the value of x over y. So now let's solve it. So this 3 now, we change this 3 to log. So how are we going to do that? If you observe, everything now all in what? Base 2. Okay, so we now have log 2 base 2 raised to power 3. Do you get it now? So when this 3 come here, 2 in base 2, log 2 base 2 give you 1. So 3 times 1 is 1. So that's how we got that. So log y base 2. So now the next thing we do is this. We are going to what? Move the alphabet, you understand, so that it can be the same. So collect like term, so all the alphabets will come here. So be left with the numbers at the right hand side. So minus, so this y will come here. So that is now left with, so 2 raised to power 3 will give you 8. Okay, so now I have log 2. What is x? Minus is what? Is division. Okay, so that is x over y equals to log 2 log 8 base 2. So now what do you want to do? We are going to cancel this log 2. So our final answer is, therefore x over y equals to 8. Have you seen that now? So the value of x over y is what? 8. When you look at this question, you feel like, How will I get this? Can you see that within few seconds you're able to get the answer? It's very simple. The next, what the most important thing is for you to know the logic, the principles. You understand? Once you know the principles, you are good to go. So if you are here to watch the full video, ensure you watch the full video so that doing this won't be difficult for you at all. Do you understand? So now this is where I will end this part 3. You understand? This is where I'll be ending it. You understand? So if you have any question, do it to the comment section below, or go to our Telegram channel to drop your question. We'll definitely answer you. Do you understand? If you're here to join, the link is in our bio. And if you want to chat us up privately, our WhatsApp link is also in our bio. Do you understand? Okay, so now I want to use this medium to appreciate everyone who watched to this point. Thanks and God bless you. We really appreciate it. So if you're here to subscribe and you've been watching our videos, please ensure you subscribe, because most of the people that are watching our videos, most of them are they are unsubscribers. Please ensure you subscribe, ensure you share, and ensure you like, comment. We do appreciate it. Thanks and God bless.